Every Pringles crisp begins with carefully selected ingredients.
Every ingredient is inspected before entering production.
Precision mixing creates a perfectly consistent dough.
The dough is rolled into a perfectly uniform sheet.
Each crisp is cut and shaped with remarkable precision. Controlled cooking creates the signature crisp texture. Every crisp receives an even coating of delicious flavor. Only the highest quality crisps continue to packaging. Automation carefully stacks and seals every can for freshness. From precision manufacturing to global delivery, every can is ready to reach consumers around the world.